Welcome everybody. This is Laurie with Magnolia Design Company, and today's project is chalking on this plastic planter. And I just wanted to show you that you can do it on so many different surfaces. And today we are going to use 4 different stencils from our spring minis. And we will get the first one on here. These I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Now that they're open, then I'm going to take the blue ice and do the raindrops. And then I'm going to take marmalade and do the umbrella, our chalking paste. Then we can peel this up. And put that into water. Now I'm going to dry this since I'm going to be turning this around on we're going to put 4 different stencils on this, so I want to get this dried. That should do it. Then we're going to turn it quarter of a turn. Get these put in the water. And let's do the flower pot next. All of my inks have already been stirred because I worked on one right before this, and just to see how it would turn out, and it is really cute. We're going to do the pot in yellow and then the leaves in green. Wipe the excess off. Let's get these leaves done. And then we will butt right up against that yellow. Scraping off the excess. get that put into water. And let's get this dried. Let's do another quarter return. Get our lids put on our jars. And the next one we will do the tools. And we are going to use the cool gray and the living coral. Let's do the cool gray first. Sorry guys, for some reason my camera went off, but I went ahead and finished the last one of the wheelbarrow, dried it. Now what I wanted to tell you is that you take your spray sealant and do that about 2 or 3 times, and then this will be good for sitting outside, and the chalk will not come off once you spray it with the sealant. So that's all I needed to tell you, so I will see you on the next project. Bye.